I would not be here without Mrs. S. And you know what? I tried to find her. I looked her up. I could never find her. But I honestly don't think I was meant to find her. I think I was meant to find you. I was meant to be here in rooms like this and say thank you for what you do. Say thank you for what you give to the students. Say thank you for what you do on a daily basis, because I promise you, there's a student in your classroom. There's a student that's going to come to school, and you're going to say something to them, and it may be fly by, and you may not even know anything. They may not come up to you, but years from now, because of what you're saying, they're going to be a CEO. Because of what you're saying, they're going to be a business owner. They're going to be successful because of something you said. I want you to remember these words. You may never see your legacy.